guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to talk about the difference between skin purging and breaking out. There is a difference and I'm going to tell you what the difference is. A few of you asked me recently, which is why I'm filming this video. It gave me the idea to create this video and explain the difference because there are certain ingredients that will cause skin purging. And then of course there are ingredients and products that don't typically cause purging, but if you're experiencing breakouts, then there's something else going on. So I'm going to tell you the difference. I'm going to tell you what ingredients can cause purging, and we're going to get right into it. But before we do, if you could please like this video, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you will always be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I do upload videos every single week. So a lot of people experience skin purging as well as breaking out. I'm one of those people. I break out from time to time and I also experience skin purging. It's really annoying to go through, but if you know the difference between the two and one or the other is happening, then you will have a better understanding of what's going on so that you can make some adjustments to your skincare routine or even your health. So when you're experiencing skin purging, this is actually a reaction to an active ingredient that is turning over new skin cells. It's increasing the skin cell turnover. So these active ingredients are exfoliating acids like a glycolic, a lactic, a salicylic acid, a benzoyl peroxide, a retinol, a retinoid, even a prescription tretinoin. These are all active ingredients that are going to help increase cell turnover. So as you use these products on your skin, these of course are going to penetrate into your skin to turn over skin cells to bring up the fresh new layer of skin, which is going to give you more of a smooth and clear complexion. But as these ingredients are working on your skin and your skin cells are turning over, all of that gunk, debris, dead skin cells, and sebum that is stuck in your pores, this is going to bring all of that up to the surface, which is why you are experiencing skin purging. And that's why you're experiencing breakouts when you're using these active ingredients. Now, when this happens, this doesn't mean it's a bad thing. This is actually a good thing that you're experiencing purging because it's showing you that the active ingredients that you're using are working and bringing it up to the surface level to clear it out so that you can have more of a clear, brighter complexion. Now, if you're not experiencing any purging from these types of active ingredients, then that is okay. It doesn't mean that these ingredients are not working on your skin. You're just not experiencing the purging stage, which is great. But a lot of people do experience skin purging, and this usually lasts for a good 4 to 6 weeks, even 8 weeks. So you do want to give it time, use these active ingredients for a good 2 months, and if you're still experiencing purging and breakouts after 2 months of using these active ingredients, then I would definitely remove them from your skincare routine and try something else. It really shouldn't last more than 2 months, but everybody experiences skin purging differently. You may only experience it for a couple of weeks, and then of course some people will experience it for the full 8 weeks. So it just depends on the individual, but when you experience skin purging, it can be whiteheads, it can also be blackheads, and cystic acne. And of course you can experience dryness as well at the same time. I should also mention as well that if you're somebody that gets facials done or chemical peels by a professional, then of course you could experience purging as well after the treatment. Don't use too many ingredients and products in your skincare routine, especially if you are experiencing purging, because you could be making your skin worse with other products, and those products could cause breakouts because maybe you have some sensitivities to those products and the types of ingredients that are in them. So keep your skincare routine basic for a morning and a night routine until you notice that your skin purging is better, and then once you notice that you're not breaking out anymore, then of course you can start adding other products into your skincare routine. Now, if you're experiencing breakouts and acne that is not caused by active ingredients, then of course this could be a list of things as to why you're breaking out. It could be hormonal breakouts. For me, I break out on my jawline and going down my neck. If you're an active person and you're sweating a lot, you're not washing your face properly, it could be your diet, and of course course, if you've introduced a new skincare product into your skincare routine, then that could cause breakouts as well, because you could be sensitive to that product or an ingredient that is in that product. And sometimes it's really hard to figure out what is causing your breakouts. So it really is trial and error. You really have to sit down and figure out what you're doing differently, but skincare products can cause breakouts. Niacinamide usually does not cause purging. Some people are very sensitive to it. They will experience breakouts at first, and then their skin may get better, or sometimes they will just continue to see breakouts. And that is usually an indication that you're sensitive to it. So I would stop using that product, because that isn't an active ingredient, so you really shouldn't be breaking out or purging from that. So take a look at your skincare products, see what could be causing your breakouts. It could be fragrance, essential oils, it could be so many things. It really is a guessing game. But when you experience purging, you can expect these breakouts to be in areas on your face where you usually see your breakouts. So for me personally, it's always my chin and my cheeks. I've always broke out in these areas. So when I'm using a tretinoin or an acid, I will usually break out in these areas when I'm purging. But if you're experiencing acne and breakouts from other things, then you can experience these breakouts on areas on your face or even on your body where you usually don't see the breakouts. And that is usually how you can decide whether it's skin purging or just breaking out from something else. So I think I've covered everything with skin purging and just your typical breakout. I hope that I was able to really make you understand what the difference is. If you're using a tretinoin or an acid and you are experiencing purging and you're using these products several times a week, then maybe cut down on your usage and just use these ingredients 1 or 2 days a week and gradually increase your usage with them. That may also help with skin purging. You may not see as many breakouts that way, but if you jump right in and start using a retinol or an acid several times a week, then of course your breakouts could be a little bit worse because you're using that product so much. But just keep going and be patient. And after the 2 months, if you still experience a lot of breakouts, then eliminate that product and try something else. Maybe that active ingredient is just too strong for you, so you may need to go with something that is a little bit weaker. And then once your skin becomes accustomed to that, then maybe you can go back up to the stronger one again. You just have to play around and figure out what works for you. So I hope you found this helpful, and of course I will see you all in my next video. So take care, and I will see you guys then. Bye guys.